everyone, welcome back. Sorry for the 5 second delay. I had not connected the headphones and I just did now. So we'll talk about feedback. So feedback is basically something like, it's like customer feedback. Like if you are trying to, like suppose you're, head massaging or, foot massaging someone and then suddenly they get a pain. So they tell you that, bro, be careful that I have a pain over here. So please do not press over there. And then you remember that output and account to that you do the work, right? So it's just like feedback. So when in the loop, if you see over here, see this is some actual input and then it was given, it was going on, it gave a output, but the output was not exactly right. So the output itself gives a you know uh, feedback. Okay, so here you can see here, so forward operator. So forward operator of what? This actual thing. So input is xj. So this is an internal signal of from output. So this is forwarded to output again by A, and it is feedback. It is taken by B from Y. So first it is taken back. Okay, so B is happening first, and then A. So from what is happening, actual input given to the Y out, given for output, but in the output there was some problem. So it took the actual output as itself input through the help of this B loop, that is nothing but feed forward. See, feed forward operator and then forward operator. So one feedback and feed forward. So this is feedback and this is forward, together it is called feed forward, that we will be seeing in the network architecture thing. So key equations. Okay, so here we have forward path y of k, yk of n is equals to a of xj of n. This is forward in nothing but, so this actual things here, this is equal to, see what is happening, this into this, understood? So very simple, right? Forward path, then feedback path, x, this is equals to this plus b into this. See, uh, here this thing is equals to, you just have to add b into this will be multiplied, here a into this will be multiplied, this plus see, b into yk of n gives us xj of n. What is xj of n? That is an internal signal. So internal signal is equal to nothing but sum of input and feedback output. That's it. Then you have eliminating xj of n. How do you eliminate xj of n? Simple. Output is equals to a divided by 1 minus ab into xj of n. So here 1 minus ab. So usually A is nothing but the actual true weight and B is usually denoted as Z inverse. We'll see that here. So here is the signal flow graph of a single loop feedback system. So here what we, so here this is the closed loop operator. A divided by 1 minus AB is simply like this, A divided by 1 minus AB, like this, simple. Okay, open loop operator is just AB. So you have AB, then if AB is divided by 1 minus AB, that is a closed loop, then non-commutative. AB is not equals to BA. Okay, remember that. Example, feedback with weight W and delay Z to the power of minus. So that Z inverse. So here this W is nothing but A. Okay, and this Z inverse is B. So here a fixed weight and unit time delay operator. So closed loop operator, how it will become? So here instead of A write W, instead of B write Z inverse, W divided by 1 minus W into Z inverse. Then you just take this whole thing upside. From the numerator, if it goes upside, then it becomes inverse. Okay, so that's the its basic max, right? If you like take something to the top side, becomes inverse, so this will get inverse. So that's what is happening over here if you see actually. So at the end it will become W into, you can see here, where did I go? See, you can see it's here, right? You can see over here how it becomes, how it changes. Then you have to talk about what is that example is done. Okay, so what is the actual keyword? So actual formula. So we understood about loop, what is closed loop, but we also have to talk about the output, what the output converts into. So the output converts to the summation of L is equals to 0 to infinity, in 0 to infinity W of L plus 1 into xg of n minus 1. You can see over here, this is the actual formula you have to remember over here. This is the final formula. You see, step by step how that W inverse is. So first what you are doing, we are summating summation of AB. We are taking, see, W into summation of L equals 0 to infinity, WL Z1. From this now what you are doing, we are multiplying with the input. Then particular only these two things you are taking is equals to x into n minus 1. If you read this one by one, you will understand. But what you have to remember is the final equation which I have shown over here. If you cannot see this, then Let me just show here. So we saw, right, summation of L is equals to 0 to the power of infinity, 0 till infinity, 0 down, infinity up, W to the power of L plus 1 into xg of n minus 1. Simple. Keyword you have to remember, I is two words, so infinite duration, that is one I, then impulse response, infinite memory, fading memory, older samples matter less when the summation of W is less than 1. What is summation of W? That is stability. So if W, okay, sorry, mod W, so there is not summation, mod W is less than 1, then it is stable, which is also, then the output is exponentially convergent. Okay, if W is equals to 1, then unstable. Okay, so linear divergence. If mod W is greater than 1, then it is unstable, it is also unstable, but it will lead to exponential divergence. The output will be exponential divergence. It will be linear divergence, like, linearly diverging or linearly diverging. This is exponentially, so it's very steep, like, depends on exponent value. Then unfolding, converting feedback back to feed forward approximations. So here it's very simple. See, you have the output n, right? It will be giving back. So first you will have W into xj of n, then W square, xj remains the same, that n minus 1, W cube x j n minus 3, 2, sorry, n minus 2, then W to the power 4 xj n minus 3, so on up to W to the power of n xj n minus n plus 1. You can put n plus 1 into bracket also. Basically at the end you will have only xj itself, if you look into this, if you remove the bracket. So n minus n plus 1, that is a, okay. Then this is called unfolding a feedback system into feed forward system. Then the next video is about network architecture. It's very simple, feed forward with single layer of neuron, then multi layer, etc., etc. We'll see that in the next video.